So already you can see that the main screen has music. There's a voice effect as well. There's some animation, the stars in the sky. Hello world, this is Ben here. So the other day I was watching LGR, and I came across this old video he did in 2013 about a game called Jewel Thief, and I was very amazed by the simplicity of the game, and I thought it would be a great example to build for my game engine I'm currently working on. So let's have a look first of what LGR is saying about the
It's Jewel Thief, developed by Paul Legeski and released under the banner of his company called Servantware in 1991. This is yet another of those games that I got from the disc included in Windows After Hours by W. Edward Tiley. It was also included on compilations like Ends with a double click and a registration nag screen. It's the only restriction in the game, but if you wanted to, you could pay $10 to remove this infinitesimal nuisance and get the full task to travel the world to steal back the jewels from the thieves. So really the game should be called something like Jewel Repo Man rather than...
Right. So you see, it's really basic. You look at the graphics, you look at the gameplay. You just move the personage on using the mouse, and you have to pick up all the jewels. So it's really a simple game, and it's very good for a quick demo of the engine I'm working on. So first, let's try the shareware version on the Internet Archive. So if you just go here and you press on the start of DOSBox. So it's a Windows 3.1 game. So yeah, so the game was shareware back in the days, and as you can see here, there was a nag screen, and I believe it's the only reason to subscribe to register was to remove this screen here. So, but you could actually just press continue and you go on with the game, and right away the game just throws you in the action, and there's no warning, there's nothing. It just you move the little guy here, the man. You have a number of lives. So far I'm losing them. As soon as you just get touched, the collision detection of the game is really hard on the player. So there's no time to give you a chance to move on. So those 9 men are really necessary. So that's right. And just go. Okay. There's a high score. So I guess the whole point of the game is not only to finish the levels, which I believe there's more than a dozen, but also is to get points and score and reach the high score. And each level, there's different graphics and different things to pick up, different enemies graphic as well. And there's no sound effects when you pick up things. The only sound effect is when you get hit by something. So quite simple game. Something that can be really easily reproduced with the touchscreen control as well as the mouse. So perfect for the D2Soft Engine, as you'll see now in a moment. So let me first let me get out of here and show you here what I'm working on. So let's start the demo here.
Jewel Thief.
So already you can see that the main screen has music. There's a voice effect as well. There's some animation, the stars in the sky. Little details. There's a start button.
Go.
So now currently the demo is not done yet, but there's already some interesting things I added to the game, like sound effects, level titles, so we know that you're changing level. The enemies don't move exactly like the original game. In this one they move in lines randomly. Every time you start the game they will be in different positions, different speed as well. And my personally doesn't change direction depending on where it's going. So these are little details that will be addressed in the future. And so yeah, you can just go on, pick up things. So far in my version here, I'm giving some time to the player to change position. So when you touch an enemy, you're blinking for a moment, and you don't lose so many lives. So I put 4 lives instead of 9 because of that. But we'll see as I go with the demo. If I want to improve, change things, I will do that. I have in mind to have my kids play this game, and I want to make it simple because they're aged between 2 and 9, so I don't want to make this game too hard, but at the same time I want to make it a challenge and fun enough. So yeah, so I did 1, 2, 3 levels so far, and if I just die, you have a game over screen as well. Alright, so here in the bottom you can see the current level name, the 3 graphics like in the original game, the score, and here were the lives as well. And then you just press OK, go back to the main screen. Alright, so let me just stop this here. So this is built using the D2Soft Engine, and it's actually a an engine based on the basic scripting language. So it's very similar. It's not necessarily the same as basic, but it's very inspired by basic. So it's made so that it's simple, it's fast, and easy to build animations. And it's currently in development. We're still not ready to get the engine out to the public, but it's coming soon. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel, and you could also send us a contact using the contact form with your name and email, so we can get in touch when we have a demo working. So yes, this engine is built using HTML5. There's a lot of feature built in, including assets management like graphics, music, sounds, and fonts, and much more. And this is all on the web, so it will be able to work on any HTML5 devices or mobile computers, and we are trying to make this a very easy to use platform for beginner programmers as well as more advanced programmers. Like this demo is showing, you can do quite interesting things in a timely manner. So thanks for watching. Again, subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about the engine. It's coming soon, and hope to see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.